What is up, guys? Dollar and a Dream coming at you with another video, and today we're going to be starting our own automated YouTube channel from scratch to generate passive income. Now you may be thinking, what in the heck am I talking about, an automated YouTube channel? That's just not a thing. Well, in today's video it is. We're going outside the box, above and beyond. We've acquired a tool that can scrape Twitch for whatever game I enter into the tool for the latest and greatest clips, render them into one video, and make the best Twitch compilations without any work to myself. All I have to do is make a title, a thumbnail, and a description, and upload it to YouTube. So as you may know, Twitch compilations are a very big thing on YouTube, along with TikTok compilations and other things, and we're looking to squeeze ourselves in and get a chunk of the views from this niche, which is Twitch compilations. And we're gonna have a whole plan on doing that, and that's by working smarter, not harder. Now I should make it known that this isn't 100% automated. I would say it's semi-automated, and then I do have to do a little bit of work, but the amount of work that I have to do is minimal compared to someone who is manually clipping a bunch of Twitch streams and then compiling them into a video. This takes all the clips, compiles them for me, and like I said, I just have to make title, description, and thumbnail. Now my plan for this is to make 5 compilations a day for 5 different games, and then I have a layout for the entire week where I do 5 games a day for 7 days, and then I repeat those same 5 games on the same day of each week. So Monday I might do League of Legends and 4 other games, then Tuesday I'll do Minecraft or something, and then it'll just keep on going and going and going, that same cycle. The reason that I don't do the same games every single day and just make a ton of compilations for, say, Minecraft, if I give it a week between compilations, it gives the new clips time to go to the top of the charts and get rendered into the new videos. I don't want to be having the same clips in the same video over and over and over, because then people aren't going to want to watch them, and then my content becomes
literal doo-doo water.
So I'm going to bring you guys over to the computer where I can show you my plan for this channel, me creating the channel, and how this program works as far as rendering these videos and getting them made. So I went ahead and I created a schedule for uploading that I'm gonna go with every single week, like I talked about earlier. And day 1, it's gonna have Just Chatting, Old School RuneScape, World of Warcraft, Among Us, Path of Exile. Those are the 5 games I'm gonna upload, I guess, today. And then it just goes down the list. I have 35 games total over 7 days. This is the upload schedule for the channel. So this is the bot right here. We'll click enter. So right now it is scraping the top clips for Among Us. It's gonna compile them into one Twitch compilation for us, render it when it's done. And once that's done, all I have to do is I have to make a thumbnail for it and get it uploaded to YouTube. That, along with Just Chatting, Old School RuneScape, World of Warcraft, and Path of Exile, and that'll be my whole upload schedule for today. Now let me show you the channel that I made. It's called Chat Clip That. It's nothing real special. I just put this generic profile picture, something that, something that's used in the Twitch community. I might change that eventually. Then I went ahead and I made a playlist for each game title that I'm gonna make compilations for. So that way, once I'm done uploading the video to YouTube, I can just throw it in this playlist, and every week that playlist is gonna get another video added to it, and it'll be easy to keep them organized. Or if someone just wants to watch compilations of one certain game, they can just go down the whole playlist and watch it. So I'm gonna let the program do its thing and finish up saving all these videos and rendering it for us. And once that's done, I'll get back to you guys with a quick little preview of the finished product. So as you can see, it's a new day. I'm wearing a different shirt. So right after I recorded that last clip where I said I was gonna get the video rendered and then show you a little preview of it, I got called into work. So I wasn't able to get all the videos up last night and created and thumbnails made, but I woke up early this morning and I got it all processed. I got 5 videos up that were supposed to go up yesterday. They're all up today, and I made thumbnails for all of them. So that's honestly the hardest part, just making a thumbnail for each one of the videos. And I'm gonna show you just a little what I did for each thumbnail, so you can see them up close. World of Warcraft, Among Us, Just Chatting, RuneScape, and Path of Exile. I just make them all in GIMP, like I said earlier. Free photo editing program, super easy to use. As you can see, I got the 5 videos uploaded right here on my channel and a few views. These 2 right here, the Path of Exile and the Old School RuneScape compilations, both got a copyright restriction, meaning they're unmonetizable, which doesn't even matter at the moment because our channel can't be monetized until we have over 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. But what I did go ahead and do is I can go to the copyright claim. As you see, they're saying processing right here. I go to the copyright claim, click see details, and basically it's not letting me do it right now, but I can clip out the audio of that part of the video, or just completely clip out that part of the video that has the copyrightable soundtracks in them, and just take that out of the video through the YouTube platform. I don't have to like take it down, fix it, and then re-upload it. They'll do it for me, so it's super easy, and I'm just gonna let YouTube do that for me. These 5 videos went up late because they were supposed to go up yesterday, but they came up today. So I am still gonna go ahead and make 5 more videos today. And also I'll go ahead and show you like the description I got going for these. It's nothing crazy, and I do plan on making a better description. So my like format, I guess you could say, is most viewed, insert game here, clips of the week, number 1, and then obviously every week that'll change to number 2, 3, etc. And then I just put January 2021, and then, you know, obviously the month will change as well. I include all the streamers that were featured in the compilation, and then just something basic right here. Like I said, I do plan to add on that, but I was just trying to get these 5 videos up and going. So let me show you a quick little preview of what these compilations look like. I'm not going to show you very much, but it's got this real basic intro that goes on with it. I have the ability to change the intro. That intro actually came with the program that I use to render these videos, but like I said, I'm gonna change that intro eventually. That's also one of my goals for today. So I'll get back with you guys once I have 5 more videos made and uploaded today, along with a new intro and hopefully a better description as well. So I'll see you guys then. So yesterday we ended up getting all of our clips uploaded, the 5 from day 1 along with the 5 that were supposed to go up yesterday. And now it's 7 in the morning and I got my 5 clips for today scheduled for 1 p.m. Eastern time. That's just going to be my daily upload time, 1 p.m. Eastern. And hopefully eventually I'll just make a little banner on my channel so everyone knows 1 p.m. Eastern every day. That's when we have 5 uploads. I went ahead, I changed my profile picture because I didn't really care for the other one. Just wanted to chime in, give you guys a little update on what's going on with the channel. So I'll see you guys next time I have an update for you. It should be tomorrow morning at the very latest, but hopefully later today once I can get an intro and new description made. Alright, what is up guys? It is currently Sunday afternoon and I'm ready to give you guys the complete recap of how starting an automated YouTube channel from scratch has gone for me. So this is the last day that I'm going to have on week 1 of starting this YouTube channel. But just keep in mind this was only like 4 or 5 days, but in future videos there's gonna be more than 4 or 5 days in progress. I just wanted to get this one out here so you guys know, like, look, we're making an automated YouTube channel and you can do the same thing. So what we got going on here is we've got 4 subscribers. You know, not to flex or nothing, you know, we're pretty popping on YouTube with the 4 subscribers. Nah, but on a real note, one of those subscribers is me. So really we got 3 new subscribers, and honestly I'm kind of happy with that for our first 4 or 5 days on YouTube. You know, can't really ask for much more than that. And we've got a total of 40 views, but that's not including the views that we've gotten today, which is 9 views, which I already counted the real-time views. So I've gotten 9 views today, which is 49, I guess, as a total. So we are getting some views. It's nothing crazy at all. We're not like blowing up on YouTube, but I mean, you can never expect that. It's our first, you know, it's our first week starting a YouTube channel. You're not gonna just blow up like that, you know. Honestly, I'm getting more views per day than I do on my main channel that I've been working on for 2 months now, 3 months. I have no problem with the amount of views I'm getting and the rate that we're growing at. So with all that being said, I am going to show you that I have been uploading all of my videos 5 a day, except the first day I did have to upload 10 because I got called into work that day, as I had told you guys earlier in the series. So here is our 30 videos. I'll just slowly scroll up so you can like look at them. You know, it's nothing crazy, you know, some got more views than others. Most of them got 0 views. One of the videos that we posted today is also popping off with 4 views. Once again, nothing crazy, but it's better than our average video, so what more can you ask for? We do got one video today that we posted with a copyright claim, but as you can see right here, it says standard definition processing, so I went through the copyright claim restriction and I had them edit that little segment out so that way there is no copyright claim. that's the great thing about the YouTube platform, that how it just allows you to edit out any clips that do have a copyright restriction on it. That way you don't gotta take the video down and re-upload it. That's just a lot of work. So I am very thankful for that. Also, in this past day, or actually yesterday and today, I started changing the titles of my videos because I realized no one's gonna be looking up most viewed Destiny clips. They're looking up funny Destiny clips or epic clips, something like that. So I changed the title format to top 50 viral insert game clips, funny and epic clips week 1 or something like that. I haven't changed the description, and I had thought more about it. Like, I had talked about changing the description earlier in the video, and honestly, I think the description's fine. I don't think there's any problem with the description, but I did start changing up the tags. So before, I was just entering in random tags that I wasn't really too sure on, but now I'm using a tool called outubetool.com, and I can go on YouTube and search popular videos in my niche. So say I want a Fortnite compilation video to blow up, I'll look up Fortnite compilation or crazy Fortnite video. I'll take the video link and paste it in here, click find tags, and it'll pull up all the tags for that video, and then I can do the same and just enter them into my video. So I can show you right here, that's what I did with this video, is I used their tags, and it looks like it might have worked. I'm not sure if that's why I got 4 views. I don't know what it is. But with all that being said, for the foreseeable future, I will be posting on this channel 5 times every single day and keeping you guys updated on the growth of my channel. I'm really excited to see where this goes and take this journey with you guys. And I hope you guys are inspired to go ahead and take this journey with me, because it's a really good time. And honestly, even if we don't get anywhere, like, I enjoy doing things on YouTube, and at the very least, at least I got some experience editing some thumbnails. So expect some banger thumbnails in the near future on this Dollar and a Dream channel. You know, thumbnail game taking a little step up. But honestly, that's all I have for this video. If you guys have enjoyed anything at all throughout this video, please feel free to hit the like button and the subscribe button. We did just hit 100 subscribers, and I can't thank you guys enough. I'm feeling blessed to have 100 subscribers on my YouTube channel. Like, I really did not see myself even getting to 100 subscribers, so honestly, this is crazy to me, and I'm beyond thankful for all the support anyone has given me. And with that being said, I'm looking forward to seeing you in next Monday's video. Once again, always banger videos on Mondays.